So here's a small demonstration video of an LSTM model which is being run on our Autoboard version 1, which is based on NXP's S32K344 microcontroller. So what we have done is that first we train the model on the Ubuntu with the EIQ Auto platform. Then we compile the model using the GLOW to generate such graphs, weights and the object file. Then those files are being integrated into the S32DS. And then we inputted the data into MCU and run the inference, and the values are being displayed on the system. So let's just start our code. First I'll just show you the files that are being generated by the Ubuntu. These are the object files that are generated, and along with this model files and its header files. So let's just start our code, and if I just click on play, the code will start and it will first check the inference, then it will initiate the running, and as you can see the execution has started, and now it will display the prediction value. So the result, that is 72.750198, is the predicted value of our LSTM model.